from this center from Universitas Lambung Mangkurat, Bapak Muhammad Yahya. Are you ready?
Ready? Apakah terdengar dan jelas?
Okay, it's clear. You can start your presentation now. Time is yours.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Before I begin, I would like to thank our moderator for the kind introduction and also express my appreciation to our honorable reviewer, Professor Dr. Gunarjo Suryanto Budi, MSc. My name is Muhammad Yahya from the English Language Education Study Program at Lambung Mangkurat University. Today, I'm delighted to present my research entitled Google Site as an e-portfolio pragmatics, strategies, benefits, and challenge. This study was conducted in the pragmatic course and is focused on integrating technology with reflective learning. Now, for introduction, in today's digital learning environment, technology plays a vital role in promoting autonomous and reflective learning. One of the most effective tools for that purpose is the e-portfolio, which allows students to collect, organize, and reflect on their learning experiences. In this research, I focus on Google Site because it is free, flexible, and accessible for both lecturers and students. However, most studies on e-portfolio focus on skill-based courses, such as writing or speaking. Very few have examined content-based courses like pragmatics, which involve analyzing meaning and context. Therefore, this study aims to explore how Google Site was implemented as an e-portfolio, focusing on three main aspects: the lecture strategies, the benefits, experience by students, and the challenge faced during implementation. Now we move to the methodology. This research used a qualitative descriptive design to explore real experience in depth. The participants include 1 lecturer and 6 students, 3 high achievers and 3 low achievers from the pragmatic course at Lambung Mangkurat University. The data were collected through interview, Google Site analysis, and also class telegram discussion. The data were then analyzed using Mills and Habermas model involving data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing. Now, we move to result and discussion. This is the main part of my presentation, the result and the discussion. As you can see on the screen, there were 5 main strategies used by the lecturer in implementing Google Site. First, introduction and modeling. The lecture starts by demonstrating how to use the platform and provide tutorials video. The second, the diagnostic free test. As you can see in the picture on the left, students were asked to answer questions about pragmatic concepts such as implicature and speech act. This helped the lecturer identify their initial understanding. The third, contextual project. In the picture on the right, you can see as an example of a student analyzing the song Thank You Next by Ariana Grande to illustrate Dex's and speaker intention. The fourth, continuous feedback. Feedback was shared through Telegram message and in this class discussion, allowing students to revise their e-portfolio step by step. And finally, and the last one is creative freedom. Students personalize their Google Site using any colors, layouts, and image that reflect their learning style. As a result, this strategy have a benefit. For example, to improve task organization, reflection, and motivation. Students became more independent and digitally skilled. However, as you can see in the bottom visual, some challenges appear: unstable internet connection, link errors, and low digital familiarity. This technical barriers sometimes interrupted the feedback process, showing that digital training and institutional support are still needed. And for the last slide, about conclusion. To conclude this study, the study demonstrates that Google Site is an effective pedagogical innovation for content-based learning. It encourages students to reflect, be creative, and connect pragmatic theory with real-life communication. It is also strengthening digital competence and motivation for both lecturers and students. For future application, I suggest integration e-portfolio across other English language teaching courses and providing digital training to maximize their benefit. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
for the presentation, Bapak Muhammad Yahya from Universitas Lambung Mangkurat. So before we proceed to the next presenter, I'm going to